understanding the types of triangle based on its side and angle, let's try to understand some more properties of triangles. So these two properties are new for you in 7th standard. Let us try to understand it in detail. So properties are median of a triangle. The name itself gives us idea. Median means middle point or middle value. A median of a triangle is a line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of that triangle. So I am going to show you what does this median mean. So I have a triangle with me, cutout of a triangle. I am going to show you what is the meaning of median. So I will fold this. Let us imagine that this is vertex A, or I label it as A, B, C. So this is a triangle ABC. Now triangle A, opposite side of this is DC. So first I will find the midpoint of that. So I will find the midpoint of that. So midpoint is, name it, or I'll color it with pink sketch pen. So this is midpoint. I'll join this midpoint to A. This is called as median of a triangle. Similarly, I can find out another median opposite to vertex B. For that, what I have to do? Opposite side is AC. I have to find midpoint of that. So I'll locate the midpoint by folding the paper. After folding, I'll get a middle point and I will join it, this midpoint, to B. Same way, I can find out median of vertex opposite to vertex C. So for that, I'll find out midpoint of line AB and let us join it with the help of sketch pen, the midpoint to vertex C. You all will see that we can find out three medians. As there are three sides, we'll get three medians of the triangle, and all these three medians are interior, always lies in the interior of triangle. A triangle has three medians which always meet other inside the triangle, each other, and this point of intersection is of three median is called as centroid of the triangle. What it is called as? Centroid. So these all medians, they meet each other and it's called as centroid of that triangle. Now let us see the next property of the triangle, that is altitude of a triangle oblique height, means it's also called as height of a triangle. So altitude is perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the line containing the opposite side, means the distance between the vertex and the opposite side is called as altitude. I'll show you with the help of one more paper here. So this is a triangle. I'll draw altitude. So to draw altitude, always keep in mind the word it is given here, perpendicular drawn from a vertex. So here in median we took midpoint of the opposite side, but here we are going to construct perpendicular from the vertex. So if A, B, C is the triangle, now I am going to construct 90 degree from that vertex, and in case of median we calculated midpoint. That is the most important difference between the median and height of a triangle. Height is always perpendicular drawn on the opposite side. So let us join it. It's 90 degree. So now this is called as a height of that triangle. Height is nothing but if I extend this, if I take a scale and if I wanted to measure the height, then this distance is nothing but the height of the triangle. Now this is the height here, but if I want to find this side also height, I can find out. So what I will do? So here also I can locate the height of the triangle. It's 90 degree almost. Same way this side. find the height of a triangle. Now these are all altitudes. Altitudes which are the perpendicular constructed from the vertex to its opposite side. So let us try to understand what actually the altitude means. In an acute angle triangle, all altitudes lies inside. So if I take acute, this is also a type of acute angle triangle. All the altitudes meet inside the triangle. If I construct here also altitude, one more thing. In case of equilateral triangle, altitude and the median will be one and the same. If I want to construct a median, it will be midpoint as well as height also will be the same in case of equilateral triangle. In an obtuse angle triangle, all the altitudes does not lie inside the triangle. Let's try to understand meaning of this. Now this is an obtuse angle triangle. If I want to construct altitude of this, for this side I cannot construct, so it will be outside. This altitude will be constructed outside. So if I want to draw here altitude, means then if I draw here 90 degree, this will come outside. So all the altitudes will not meet each other in case of obtuse angle triangle. In case of right angle triangle, two altitudes coincide with two sides of the triangle. Now, where does the three altitudes meet or coincide? That point is called as orthocenter. So this is where altitudes meet each other, that is called as orthocenter, and where medians meet each other, it is called as centroid. So this is the most important difference between the median and altitude. So always keep in mind that median is nothing but the line segment joining the vertex to midpoint. But in case of altitude, it's the perpendicular line, 90 degree line, which is constructed from vertex on the opposite side. So that is the major difference. So this is all about the properties of the triangle. There are some more properties like angle sum property of a triangle and a triangle inequality property, Pythagoras. Many more properties are there that we are going to see in the next class. Till then, have a good day and try to recall all the properties from the video once again, and tomorrow I'll be back. Thank you.